data science for IoT. Today, if you look at all the talk which has happened on AI, data science, they're all primarily driven by a batch model. A batch model where you take historical data, even maybe including up to last minute, doesn't matter, and then feed it to a large AI program which is going to generate a model which you're going to either use for classification or for prediction. But you are not going to generate a model every moment the data is coming. So model generation is typically a very computationally intensive activity. If you have to create a deep learning neural network based on hundreds of thousands of nodes, it takes huge amounts of parallel infrastructure like GPUs or now TPUs and running for hours on millions of data types. But let me tell you the use cases of AI in IoT. They are not necessarily dependent on creating a very strict model which is going to help you predict very well ahead of something. Instead, the use cases of ML in AI are primarily around, can I detect in real time a fraud? Can I detect a real time an abnormal functionality of some HVAC or an air conditioner which is suddenly causing temperature changes? Or is there a malfunction in some part of the data center where I am seeing abnormal temperatures from the current trend of temperature? So there we cannot afford this model of offline model using that to analyze and predict. Instead, a new category of machine learning has been invented which is now getting very popular, and also a lot of R&D is going on. It's called online learning. Online learning is all about, can we do dynamically model building on streaming data? It's also called stream data mining for those who are interested in this topic. Stream data mining is very interesting because going forward, several use cases, whether it is connected cars throwing hundreds of sensor data, or whether it is stock data which government is monitoring on some abnormal functionalities happening, or e-commerce clickstream analysis where huge amount of data is coming. In all of them, we need to do what is called as real-time machine learning or online machine learning. In that, the new kinds of algorithms in data science that are getting invented are what we call as conventional algorithms, which do not work in this scenario by building huge models on huge data. Instead, we have lightweight models. So for example, I'll give you one simple example. Those of you who know ML, you know this popular algorithm called decision tree. Decision tree is a very popular classification machine learning algorithm which takes historical labeled data and provides a classifier where when a new input data comes, it can classify into one of the output categories. Now, in this context of IoT, we're getting a new kind of algorithm which is a tweaking of the conventional data called very fast decision trees. What it does is, it does decision tree but on a sampled data of the stream that is coming in, and that helps us in creating a micro-light machine learning model which can be re-updated as and when the data stream keeps going on. So the answer we want to understand is AI ML needs to be tweaked for IoT workloads, because we have to work on sometimes a real-time model generation and model updation.